Gold mines are temporary, so why should the wash rack be permanent? Hydro Engineering's portable wash rack system goes with you when the mine is played out. Water, dirt, oil, and mud which drops on the pad is sent to the skid steer drive-in cleanout tray. This wash rack is 40 feet long by 20 feet wide with a complete wastewater recycling system, and 100% of the water collected on the hydro pad is recycled. The CAT 988 wheel loader weighs in at 120,000 pounds, and yet our lightest duty hydro pads are more than enough to handle the load. Both hot, high pressure, and high volume demucking systems are provided here for washing. Our demucking system makes cleaning large equipment fast. Reaching under this loader becomes much easier with the Hydro Blaster demucker. Remote control stations, which include hose reels and Hydro Blaster controls, are located at either end of the hydro pad, allowing you to reach every part of the wash rack easily, no matter how large the equipment is. During washing, water and debris fall to the hydro pad and are directed via channels to the side gutter. Our gutter flushing system moves dirt along to the drive-in cleanout tray, where your skid steer is used for quick dirt removal. The entire environmentally compliant system can be set up and operational in 1 or 2 days.